Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I've shared how to prepare Saiva Eral Kulambu, the traditional vegetarian version of meat liver curry. This is a fake meat curry prepared with ground and steamed moong dal, and this is the best meat alternative for vegetarians. Take half cup yellow split moong dal. You can also use green moong dal. Also take half cup chana dal. Wash well and soak in water for minimum 1 hour. The dal is now well soaked. Drain the excess water. Add 1 teaspoon each fennel seed and cumin seed. And few green chilies as required. Now grind everything together to a smooth paste. Add required salt and a tiny pinch of baking soda. Mix well. Now take idli plates. Brush each of the holes with oil. Fill the holes with grinded dal paste. I filled 3 idli plates with 1 cup grinded dal. Now close and steam in medium flame for 20 minutes. The dal paste is now well steamed. Allow to cool completely. Remove the steamed dal and cut into small cubes. The steamed dal cubes have a fibrous and porous texture and almost resembles and tastes like meat. Now heat required oil for deep fry. Gently add the steamed dal cubes and deep fry in small batches. You can also shallow fry. Fry until they change color and becomes crisp. Now to prepare curry, heat 2 tablespoons sesame oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Saute until onions turn crisp and golden. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Add little water and combine the spices with the browned onions. Now add 2 medium-sized finely chopped tomato. Add required salt for curry. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well. And cook until tomatoes turn soft. Now add half teaspoon each garam masala and pepper powder. Add the prepared veg liver fry. Combine evenly. Add required water for the curry. Mix well. Add little extra water as the curry will thicken as it cools down. Boil for a good 5 minutes. The veg liver curry is now ready. This is delicious with rice as well as chapati. Do try this delicious veg liver curry and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.